Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my assisted living business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is I'm pretty much just going to go ahead and walk you all through about 2 or 3 of the updates that I've made to my assisted living business plan template, and then at the video we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so the first thing that I did is, as we all know, industry research is a critical part of every business plan template. For the assisted living industry, that is actually a subset of the retirement communities in the U.S. So what I did is I went out and did a little bit of research, got a subscription to IBIS World, and IBIS World is an industry leader in, well, industry research. So I got the subscription, and I did a little bit of research into the assisted living industry, and I found out that it is a sub industry of the retirement communities industry in the U.S. So what I've done is I've researched the retirement communities in the U.S. and I've updated my industry research in my assisted living business plan template. So right now, all the information or all the industry research that's in my business plan template is up to date as of the last time I searched IBIS World. So we're all good to go with the updated information in the assisted living business plan template. The next thing that I did is I've expanded the industry research. So I've expanded the research. Instead of typically or before, I usually include about 1 page worth of research for the business plan template, specifically in this case the assisted living business plan template. However, I've also added to it, I've expanded the information or the search to include products and service segmentation. So what this does is just adds a little bit more meat to the bone. It shows that you've done a little bit more research and you have a little bit better of an understanding of the industry that you will be competing in. So it's just just a little bit more information, but it does add a little bit of oomph to the business plan template. The third thing that I did is I've allowed y'all to, or I've updated the business plan template to allow for a month-to-month change in the revenues. So before that I made this update, what you do is you go to the information page and you'd enter the daily sales, and my financial model will calculate the monthly sales and then roll it into the annual sales. And there is no way to make any kind of changes to the month-to-month revenues for the first year. And so what I've done is I've changed that. And so when you all update your information page, what you can do now is you can go to the profit and loss page, and on the profit and loss page, it'll allow you, or it shows you the the income statement or the profit and loss statement on a monthly basis. So for example, month 1 to month 3, quarter 1. And now what you're able to do is, if your revenues are going to change on a monthly basis, you can go to these darker colored cells and you can change the percentage of sales growth on a monthly basis now for the first year. So it just adds more flexibility and more strength and allows you to have more creativity, a little bit more control over your revenues for the first 12 months. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful, and y'all can see that these small changes really do make a big difference when you are writing your business plan for your assisted living community. All right, so wrap it up, sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my assisted living business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial on how to use that Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model customized for the assisted living industry, as well as a tutorial on how to use that model. And then I also have general business plan template tutorials, and you can just go to this link right here to access those business plan writing tutorials. There are some limitations to all of my business plan templates. First, it's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, in order to make the changes. And then if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about my assisted living business plan template before you purchase it, feel free to give me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and I'd be delighted to have a great conversation of what you can expect on when you do purchase the assisted living business plan template. However, If you have questions after you purchase the assisted living business plan template, I don't offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out the template, be delighted to, but I do charge for those services, so just keep that in mind. All right, so finally, if you are interested in buying my assisted living business plan template, just go to this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just need a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just need a professional to do your pro forma financial projections, I'd be absolutely delighted to do that for you. My pricing page, the link for my pricing page is right here, or again, here's my contact information. Feel free to reach out to me. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day.